We hope they get that much-needed intervention. Now, moving on, President William Ruto's development tour of Mathare and Ruaraka areas ended in chaos after a group of rowdy youth, reportedly from his rally, went on a rampage along Thika Road.
That's right. The gang accosted pedestrians, looted shops and robbed motorists, forcing some drivers to make abrupt U-turns in the middle of the highway.
Those who couldn't escape in time fell victims to the ruthless attacks.
Here is Jeff Kirui with the details.
Minutes after President William Ruto and his entourage exited Mathare area to join Thika Road, chaos erupted as a group of rowdy youth reportedly from his rally in the area descended on pedestrians, motorists and shops. In broad daylight, the gang had a field day as they engaged in looting and theft. Wanton thuggery that spilled over from the National Youth Service headquarters to Thika Road, forcing motorists to make U-turns on the middle of the superhighway and those who couldn't make it on time bearing the brunt of the ruthless gangs. President William Ruto is on a week-long tour of Nairobi County, his second day making inroads in Mathare and Ruaraka constituencies, where he launched several development projects. While acknowledging the rise in cases of insecurity in the area, President Ruto directed the Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja to begin the processes of construction of a police station in Ruaraka.
Friday, ifanyiwe gazettement na askari waletwa hapa wachunge mali ya watu wa Ruaraka, kuwe na amani hapa Ruaraka. Na polisi wakikuja hapa, wasikuje kuangaisha wananchi, wakuje kuchunga mali ya wananchi.
On a day that Raila Odinga claimed that it is Ruto who looked for him following the cooperation deal signed between the two leaders on Friday, President Ruto continued to market the cooperation.
Tulikubaliana na Raila Amolo Odinga ya kwamba Kenya ni ya muhimu kuliko mambo ya kugawanya wa Kenya kwa misingi ya chama ama kabila ama dini ama sehemu ama jinsia zingine. Tukasema tuunganishe Kenya ndio Kenya iweze kwenda mbele.
Ili nchi yetu isonge mbele, lazima tuwe nchi moja, taifa moja, tuachane na ubaguzi.
President Ruto at the same time launched the construction of an 800-bed dormitory at St. Teresa's Secondary School in Mathare, commissioned the construction of 12 classrooms at Mabatini Primary School, and inspected the construction of classrooms at Mathare Mixed Secondary School.
Kwa watoto hawa nitajenga mwenyewe madarasa 10 hapa St. Teresa's, ndio watoto wa Mathare wote wapate nafasi ya kusoma hapa Mathare.
I want to thank you for supporting education in Nairobi. Your Excellency, you saw the need that we have, the challenges that we've been facing. Na umetuongezea madarasa. Rais alitupatia 1 billion shillings as Nairobi County.
During the tour, the head of state commissioned the office of the Deputy County Commissioner in Mathare North Ruaraka constituency, promising to commission 6 more sub-counties in Nairobi. Jeff Kirui, KTN.
In relation